All right, what's going on, friends? Deerfamy sent me another product to review. This is their swinging chair or hammock chair. We already went camping for a weekend and got to use this. The kids got to use it and my wife got to use it. So I'm just gonna take it out of the bag, tell you a little bit about it and show you how to set it up. And I know my wife really loved this chair. She sat in it a lot. And my kids loved it. I'm going to take you out by my fire pit in the field to put this up. All right, this whole bag itself weighs about 15 pounds. And it's down here, and I'm not sure, but I might have put it back in the bag wrong. So if you do buy one, watch how it comes out. It seems like I got it. Either that or it's all fluffed out. Here, come here, Patrick, hold this. That piece folds up, and then this is the stand. One thing I'll tell you about this, using it over the weekend, is it definitely seems built really, really well. This frame seems really good. It's real easy. You just open up like that, pop it down, unfold this like that, right? Yours won't come with this marshmallow smashed in there because I think my boy Patrick got marshmallow on it. You just hang him on there like that. The max weight limit to sit on this is 350 pounds. So they can sit there. Look, you match the chair. Pretty. And you can sit there and rock. Like I said, my boys love it and my wife loved it. I like somewhere where I can sit my beer, and there's nowhere you can put a beer down. And I don't have no armrest. I didn't really like because there was no armrest, but I know my wife didn't care.
I can just do this.
Watch out, let me sit in it once. Here, just stand right here. I mean, it's pretty comfy, but I just like other chairs. See, I don't have nowhere to put my arms, but. What do you think? I'll take you around and I'll show you the chair. There's a lot of padding in it. Seems well built. Well, if you want to check out this chair, just look down in my description or in my first comment. You can click on that and you can check this chair out. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Thanks for watching, God bless, and have a great summer.